Hello, I'm Saransh from Panipat, and my government has provided a challenge, COVID-19 solution challenge, where you can submit your entries and regarding coronavirus, you can control it. So your innovative ideas you can submit it. So this video is for that purpose. Um, so I have created this application. So for a simple user, it looks like a COVID-19 symptoms calculator that you can enter your name, location, and all the symptoms, and you will get the whether you are having the coronavirus symptoms or not. It looks like it, but the main idea behind this application is to catch the people who are having coronavirus symptoms or they are hiding it. Right? How it works, I will show you. But before, the main idea behind creating this application is that a lot of people are hiding their travel history, and they are hiding whether they are having symptoms or not. So what it does is, whenever a person enters his data, whenever a person checks whether he is having symptoms or not, if the symptoms are in a particular range that he or she should be isolated, so it sends an email to the health department, and with the name and location of that particular person, and they can go and check whether he or she is having the symptoms or not. We'll show you the working. First of all, when the application is loaded, here I load this, so it says it wants to know your location. So when we allow this location, it tracks the actual location by the help of GPS. Then we enter our name. Suppose I enter here Saransh, and this location part is for dummy purpose only. Then I enter these symptoms. Okay. It also asks you about your travel history, and yes. So when we click get result, it just says call this number immediately, but it's not sure that a simple person will call or not. But what it does is, in the backend, it sends an email. You can see here, it sends an email that this person is victim. This is the longitude and latitude of that particular person's location, that you can go and track him. But the simple user will not know whether this mail is being sent or not. If these symptoms are in a particular range, so the mail will be sent to the police department or to the health department that you should go and check this person. This is the location. You can track him on the basis of which location, right? So this is my application, and yeah, the rules of calculating this, whether he or she is having the symptoms or not, is based on this rule-based system I found on internet somewhere, and it says Ministry of Health Department has released it. I don't know if it's true or not. Okay, thank you.